Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've made a very popular bone broth recipe with chicken bone broth. But it's a very time-consuming recipe, and you may not want to do that. So today I'm doing a taste test of my recent recipe of my chicken bone broth and Kettle and Fires. And this is an unrehearsed video, and I'm going to tell you what I think of it right now. In cup number 1 goes Kettle and Fires. That's about 1 cup quantity. In cup number 2 is my recipe. Into the microwave they go for 3 minutes. I have one of the most successful bone broth videos on YouTube. You can make it at home. Just check my channel and get that recipe. But when you don't have 2 days to make it, you might want to have a packaged bone broth. I also have a clear vegetable soup made with Kettle and Fire, which is a 15-minute clear vegetable soup recipe. It's delicious. But in this video, we're just going to check my homemade bone broth versus Kettle and Fire's packaged bone broth for the flavor. Done, chum. The color is almost the same. This is mine. I've got more fat in mine. You can see it floating on the top. So here we go. That's great. I love to drink bone broth during the day straight. It's like almost no calories, but flavor matters. Well, I like mine too. It's a draw. I had to say that. I mean, really, I'm gonna say mine's crappy? No, mine's really good. But this is awesome. And I swear to God, the flavors are only slightly different, and they're both great. But when you don't have 2 days, this one I highly recommend. So click the link below and get your Kettle and Fire bone broth. It's really amazing, and I'm not just saying that. It's fabulous. And mine's good too. Theirs maybe has a little richer flavor. They have a few more ingredients in theirs, and that's probably why. I'm Rebecca Brand, subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great recipes in life, especially recipes for really great health with bone broth. Excuse me, I've got some hot beverages to consume.